Assalamu alaikum friends. In my last video, I have discussed about the dashboard of my software and the sales screen. Now in this video, I will discuss all the remaining features which I have left in my last video. We can see one by one. First we login. Here is a little bit changing in my dashboard. That is the top selling product here. You can see the top selling product of your list here. You can either customize it by the top 10 or top 20. uh, Now we discuss the remaining features of the software. First we see invoice management. Here we can see all the invoices history, and the search by the criteria. Different criteria are here. Either you can search by the history, search by the invoice number between two dates, search with the month and years, search by customers and salesmen. Okay, search sales this year, this month, today. Different criteria are available here. Lots of searches here. You can search with different ways. You can get a result of the total sales, total cost, total profit, and you can reprint your invoices either on the thermal printer, A4 printer, A5 printer. You can get all data. Here you can see the details of the invoice. Uh, let's suppose I have selected that invoice, and now I want to see the product list of that invoice. So I will click here open invoice detail, and it will show the details of the invoice, and we can see the invoice details here. Let's finish it. Next we see inventory. In inventory, there is a stock list with complete features and different type of criteria and searches are here. You can search your product by the barcode number, by the name of the material here. Here you can see the less than the quantity. You can search the product with the quantity which is less than you have typed here the number. Let's suppose you type here the 5 number 5. All the product with the quantity available below the 5 quantity will be shown here. And here you can search the product with different criteria like category, category. When you select a category here, the category list will be shows here. You can select a category from here. Here you can see select the product. You can search the category by ProductWise, and here you can see the complete data, and then the complete data. Here you can see the complete data of all the product. Print barcode, you can print the barcode of the product. For example, I will click here, and there's a different settings of the barcode. You can set according to your requirement and then print that barcode. There is lots of more setting of the barcode here. By clicking others, you can get more settings of the barcode. If you want to print more than one barcode, here's a single barcode print. You can print 2 or 3 barcode at a time. And here is a pricing option. You can change the price of the any product at any time, the cost of the product and the retail price of the product, both you can delete at any time. Here you can see the delete button. You can delete any inventory at any time, but make sure that there is no single transaction on that product. If there is a single transaction on that product, either you have purchased, sales run, purchase run, either a single transaction on that product, then there will be an error on delete. You cannot delete the product which have a single transaction. Only that product will be deleted which have no transaction. Okay, you will delete here, and you can restore at any time from the deleted history. You have to go to the delete history and restore that product from from there. Export to Excel, you can see the button export to Excel. You can export at any time to the Excel. Print, you can print at any time. Here you are seeing the most selling product. Type in the box to get the top. Here you can search the product with top selling product, either top 1, top 100, top 10 product. Type here, like I type top 1. That is the product with the most selling product. That is top 1 product. Here you can, if you can type here is a 10. You will see the 10 product that is the top selling product of your store. 100. you will see the 100 top selling product of the store. So this is about the inventory. Next, the income. You can add income at any time here by category. You have to select the account, and there will be automatically category will be automatically selected and distributed to that the product. Like I have selected a category at the time of the account adding, create an account. Here I'm selecting expense account, and I type the name of the account, and here you have to select the category. Then this category will be distributed to that expense automatically. Same procedure for the and expense, same procedure. Next, here I will discuss settings. In the setting, there are three page. One page is about the information of the software of the store, and on the page second, you have to select here the database backup location here, and select default printer. You have to select the default printer, either A4, A5, or thermal. You can select any printer. Print or view. If you want to view the print before going to print it, or you have to auto print. It will not display the print, and it will auto print the invoice. If you click on the enable, then there is no print. Okay. Next is the language is English and Urdu. Obviously, you can select in the English. Barcode scanner, you can select yes or no. If your store is barcode friendly, you have to use a barcode scanner. Then you have to click on the yes. Otherwise, you can use no. Allow negative quantity. If you click on the yes on the allow negative quantity, then if the stock of the product will be zero, then you cannot create an invoice of that product. There will be error giving you that you are not allowed to sell the product which is going to negative. So if you want a negative product, you can allow it from here. Page 3, you will see the withholding tax. If you select yes, then you have to put the percentage of the withholding tax here. A distribution type, if your business is distribution type, then you have to select here yes. Sale tax, if you are business using a sales tax, you can select yes and no. If yes, then there is a percentage for that that criteria. You have to enter the percentage of sale tax. Now I finish it. Now I go to the next feature, that is purchase. The same criteria like purchase. Everything is the same like sale. No difference here. You can see that same method will be used like sales. So no need to explain more about the purchase and further purchase return and sale return. Both four things are common, and they use also the same. So there's no need to explain these sale, purchase return and sale return. Expense income already discussed. Here's the attendance system. You can record attendance of the your staff. Demand register, you can create demand register. That is like a reorder product, the product which are going to lessen the quantity. There you can note yourself. If you want, if the product that is other than that of product, then you have to note in the register, that is demand register. Here's a bill register. Bill register means that is a carrying cost of the product. You have to enter here the record for the record of the product uh, cost, traveling cost. Gate pass, you can record gate pass. Production, if your business is related to production, you can use this production tab. If your business is about the repairing, you can use a repairing option here. Quotation, you can create a quotation and estimate the invoice. The invoice create here like the same like a sale invoice, but these invoice will not affect the product or the customer. There is no effect. This is just for the estimation. You can give an estimate to the customer from here. Next, there's inventory. Inventory, I have discussed inventory here. Yeah. Here the next thing is the add anywhere. Add anywhere we go. You have to enter the details and criteria of the each thing. Here you can select the unit, like unit and category. Both are supported here. Quantity available, sale price, sale discount percentage, purchase discount percentage. Everything, each and everything criteria here you can see. You can enter on your request. You can edit this inventory at any time here by clicking edit the product, select the product from here and add each and everything which you want to add it. Now I finish it, and there is the opening stock. You can check the opening stock, customer list. Here the customer list, you can search by ID here, by name here, with balance. So if you click on the with balance, and the customer with the balance only show here. If the customer balance is zero, then the that customer will not be shown here. uh, Payment due, if you click on the payment due, the all the customer will have due payment will be shown here. That is the day 30 days. Here we see that you can set the due days for the customer, either 30 to 20 as your on your demand. You can set and any after passing that days, that customer will be goes to the due customer. So then when it goes on due customer list, you can check that list by clicking on the payment due. All the customer with that list shows here. You can delete at any time any customer. Here the same thing. If you have make any transaction of that customer, you cannot delete that customer. First you have to delete the transaction, then you can delete that customer. So yeah, directly delete is not possible if there is a single transaction on that customer. Same like inventory, same like customer, same like supplier. As a supplier, same thing like customer, like supplier. Everything is like customer. So no need to explain more further either here. Staff operator is software. You can create a login for your staff, add new customer, their name, sorry, customer employees, add new employee name, their username and password, and allow him the criteria, like allow him to control the whole admin, or allow him only settings, or allow him to conduct or sales only. You can select one, two, three, or both, or triple. You can select any select. Finish. Account, create account. You can create account here, different type of account. You can create income expense account, or payment receive account here, and a category account. You can create a category from here, and cash management account. Here you can add the more of payment, like if you using the bank, any bank and account, you can enter here the bank name, and when you receive payment in that bank, there will be the payment will be automatically added to that bank here. Cash manager account. Sorry, I have already explained here. Production expense, it's about the production. If you have production business, you can use here by creating a production expense here. Incomplete invoice, this is for the invoices that is pending, like if there's a improper shutdown of the software, like going of electricity, or any reason, for any reason, if their software will be shut down without proper clicking on exit, then it will take a backup of the invoices, like sale invoice, purchase invoice, any invoice. It will take a backup, and you have to complete here by clicking on the incomplete here. Next is the statements option. Here you can see the cash statement. All the transaction with cash it will show here. Daily history, all the transaction either with cash or without cash display here. History, sales history, purchase history, like same like invoice management of the this invoice management is about sales, but here you can see the sale, purchase, sales done, purchase done, both. Date wise income, here you will see the net income date wise, like sales minus cost of goods sold, and minus expenses plus income. The calculation formula using, and you will get the net income by date wise, daily, or any criteria. Expense report of the expenses incurred. Income report, all the report of the income will be shown here. Stock flow, either in out stock will be shown here. Supplier, customer same I have already discussed here. Expiring product, all the product which are going to expire will show there. Cash manager account here, the detail of the cash manager account. If you have added a bank account, will select the bank here, and you will see the all the deposit and withdraw that bank from here. You can withdraw that money at any time from, and cash manager, sorry, okay, capital. You will see the capital, and also the capital gain or loss. You can check the capital gain or loss here also. Purchase report, sales report. Sales report, you can check the all the reports of the sales by product by different criteria here. Multiple searches here, by invoice, by category, by material, by customer, and between two dates. If you want to search between two dates, you can select the date from here, and then select the criteria, the invoice, category, materials, and this will search both with date and with criteria. Finish it. And this is a sales report, and purchase report same like sales report. And the next is summary. I am leaving a category, I will explain it later. Summary, here when you click on the summary, then the selection criteria is same, but it will show the detail about the complete summary, like sales, sales return, purchase return, everything. Here everything will the quantity of the each and everything, sales, purchase return, everything here. And you can check the total calculation of the total purchase and total sale, total sales, and complete summary of the product of such criteria here. And the balance quantity here, you will see the balance quantity here. Next, balance sheet. The balance sheet, total receivable, cash, total stock, and total balance, total payable, earnings, okay, capital, and the total balance. This is the balance sheet. Now the category cash, it will show the cash amount of if you are using category wise cash, then this is beneficial for you. Otherwise, this is not beneficial for you. You cannot you know no need to use this. This is just for the category wise cash report. For example, I select any category here, and then the dates criteria here, then it will show the total profit of that category, their profit, their sales, minus cost, their profit, their loss, and their expenses. Everything will be calculated, and the net cash will be shown here. That is of that category. So these are all the features of the software. More features will be coming, and it will be given to you free on your request. At any time you can ask for updated version. More features are coming and coming and coming slowly, but I think this is a complete solution for your business. No, so that is I think it's perfect for you to use for your business. It will give the complete detail for your business. So if you want to buy, you have to give me a payment in my PayPal account. I will. You have to contact me on my WhatsApp number. I will give you my PayPal account, and you have to pay me. You have to pay there. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.